Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to talk about how can you extract the relevant information from your research paper. So let's get right into it. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, so make sure to subscribe to my channel to be a part of the conversation. Thank you. The first thing you need to know is just to open a paper using the UPDF, because it allows you to just copy and paste each and everything you can do with the PDF file. So extracting information from the research paper is very critical whenever you want to write the literature paper. So how you can do that? Most of the information either you can extract from the research title, from the keywords, and as well as from the abstract of the paper. So the first thing, it depends on your literature type, what type of literature you want to write it down. I would like to notice the title, author name, country, year of publication, algorithm used, objective function, problem variant, cost consideration, because my problem is cost optimization, main findings. If you want, you can write down the advantages and disadvantages, and finally you need to write down the conclusion of the paper. So these are the information I want to extract from the research paper. In this video I would like to only demonstrate one paper. You can have either 70 papers, 100 papers. It depends on the type of literature you want to write down. The first thing, I would like to copy the title, then the author, then the country, then the algorithm used. The problem variant is my hybrid flow shop. The objective function is the cost optimization of production. The fitness function is just consider the these cost, comprehensive the processing cost, and along with the production storage cost, and this is also considered as the cost factors in this paper. For the computational experiments, you can find out the main findings, but normally I prefer to go and read out the conclusion part so that you can see the main findings from the literature. Like as over here, I just noticed down, okay, what kind of algorithm giving the best results. So maybe you have been utilized many methods, and you need to look for which technique is good for you, which technique is bad, like these kind of things. You can just write it down, and later on you can compile them together. If you're not familiar how to extract the information manually, you can use the chatgpt, the chat PDF. You can upload the PDF file and you can ask any question. Please provide the title, for example. It will provide you the title of the paper, also the algorithm used, for example, also the algorithm used, right? So you can ask any question, whatever comes in mind, right? So as you can see over here, it gives you what kind of algorithm have been utilized. You can also chat whatever the format you want to have the answers for the specific question, right? Please list down the main findings, right? So these are the main findings, and also it allows you to look for the page number, right? Page number 7, right? So in this way you can just extract the relevant information. If you don't want to use the chat PDF, you can also use the science space, extract information, upload this one file, the PDF that you want, and extract the data. It will extract all the data. It will summarize the abstract. It will do all the things for you. So if, for example, I just want to look for this paper, this is the conclusion, summarize results, summarize introduction, method use, literature survey, limitation and contribution, and some of the practical application. So this is how you can extract the information for your literature review from the research paper. I think this is the easiest way you can do. So hope this video helped you. If it helped you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching.